Hey, this is for assignments for week 2 for lab safety, and I wanted to get with you and talk about what I expect of you to do this week. I know we had some confusion last week, so hopefully this will help. We'll look first at the assignment bell ringers week 2 lab safety, and when you click right here, you will come up to this page. And it's at the top of the website. It says bell ringers and quizzes. We're going to do bell ringer 1, 2, and 3 this week. You can do them all at one time, or you can spread it out and do one a day. That's up to you. They just need to be done by next Tuesday, which is the 25th at 8 a.m. That's when I will make sure that they are done by and give you a grade. Please take it seriously because these things are being graded. Then I gave you something that says safety rules for journal. This is what they look like. I did want you to notice that it's doubled, 1 to 21. Again, that's so that when I copy them in the classroom, I can just cut through here and don't have to make so many copies. But you're welcome to use this as your safety rules. If you have a printer, you're welcome to print them out. If not, then you'll need to keep up with this and know where they're at. If you want to keep your own copy, remember you can always make a copy, and that will be an option for you. But as it is, you can only view it so that you can't accidentally make changes. Okay, so that goes over the bell ringers. What we're going to do. The next thing we're looking at, remember you open the assignment just like this to see what it's about. Then we see lab safety, week 2. Let's talk about what it says. Now on the same website, remember this was last week on scientific method. Now we're clicking on lab safety. It should say lab safety up top. And you will see the same safety rules here that you just looked at. So right here is the button that opens those safety rules. Engagement is watch the 2 videos, so we click on engagement. And these 2 videos should play from your house. I have set them so that they should do that. However, if they don't, you can make a comment under here in the comment section, and you'll be able to tell me there's something wrong. Or you can always email me and tell me specifically which video that you're not able to see. I can't see the video on the left. I can't see the video on the right under the engagement tab. If you're not clear on what you're telling me, I won't know. If you just say, hey, I can't see the video, that's not going to help me a lot because there's lots of videos in our websites. Okay, so once you watch both of these, they're kind of funny. They're meant to be funny and to get you engaged in what we're doing. We're going to click Exploration and take a look at it. Okay. Go back to our directions. It tells us to watch the video at the top. See what I mean? There's another video. Read the directions for creating a lab safety poster. I say we're going to have directions on how to turn this in later, but I think what I want is for you just to take a picture of it. A clear picture, please. Make sure I can see what it says. And just email that to me. That would be great. That I can see you did it. So you watch the video at top. You have directions on what I want you to do, and websites you can pick a topic from. Okay. Number 3, explanation. This will have individual work since we are not at school. Pick 3 pictures and follow the directions with the pictures. This will include directions on how to turn it in later. Once again, I think I just want you to email me. Let's look at the assignment. That may not be the best thing to do. Let's see what it tells us to do. So that is on explanation. So we'll click explanation. Get off of that. Okay. Remember. So we were supposed to have used poster paper to record our things. I would think on this you could open a Google Doc off of. If you don't know how to do that, you come over here, you go to New, you open a Google Doc. and just show me like that your answers and send them to me. Carefully study the picture, answer the questions below. Your answers will be compared with the other groups, so do a good job. So they have questions under here that you're going to answer. So you're going to pick 3 of these, since we're doing individual work. There's a total of 6, so you can just pick your favorite 3. And once again, make a Google Doc by New, Google Docs. And remember, I get title it. Let's see, this is Lab Safety Explanation 3. Safety explanation. Put your name, Joe Smith, and then I know who you are, what you're turning in. And then you can say, where's it again? You can say, I chose panel 1. Oops, in the wrong spot. Panel 1, answer question 1, and 2. Like that. When you've done all 3 of your pictures, maybe I want to do panel 3 next. After you've done all 3 of them, remember, share it with me. Misty.pipe@haraldson.k12.georgia.us, and that's how you will turn that into me. Okay. Next thing. This is evaluation. Do the quizzes, lab safety. So we will close this. Lab safety again. Evaluate. Comes back up to the same bell ringer we started with. And you're going to do lab equipment and lab safety. I'm going to work on getting a version of this that you can write on. But it's going to take me a couple of days. It's going to take a lot of YouTube videos and experimenting, so please be patient with me. Hopefully by the time we get off of scientific method and lab equipment and safety and things, I'll have a way to go about it. And if I get it this week, I will post it on here. I also want you to remember that there's a Google Meets code, and it also says here Google Meets link. And you're going to have to be on Google Meets this week at least from 1:30 to 2:40. I'm not sure what they're going to do next week. I know the kids that came on Thursday were talking about lagging problems. That is at your house with your internet speed. It is not at the school. We tested it to make sure after the end of the day with those being reported, and I just wanted to let you know that we looked into that. I'm also going to post a video for you that you can go back and watch what we were doing on those labs last week. We'll look at that real quick so you can see what I'm saying. There were some labs under the explanation. And so I went through and showed you how you could make copies of this, and I talked about what we did on both of these labs. So you'll be able to see what's going on with that. If you have any questions, email me and let me know. It would be much better on some of the stuff if you'll use my email, because then I can get back with you on a thread of things. Just be real specific. What are we talking about? Because sometimes you'll say, I can't do what you want me to do. And I'm like, okay, so what exactly do you want me to do? You've got to be specific. What is it that you're having a problem with? And let me know how I can help. We'll try the Google Meets, but it's really important that even if you're not getting a whole lot out of it, they expect you to be on it. That's how you're going to get your attendance. So please, please, please make sure you get on that Google Meets. I've posted it on the stream for now and here, so you should be able to find it quickly. And I hope you appreciate the Bitmoji that I came up with for our little background here. I played with that and had some fun with that while I watched TV this weekend. It was kind of fun. I'll change it from time to time. You can look and see. Notice I got my little computer here, so I'm doing my virtual work with y'all. So have a great week, and if you need anything, let me know. Thanks. Bye.